Stick to your guns to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and although I do have guns, like literally real guns, I would never show them on a social media post because that's one of the quickest, easiest ways to get your account banned. How do I know? I know people that have done that, shown guns or said something about guns or talked about guns, and although I have granddaughters and not grandsons. If I had grandsons, I'd probably have a lot of little guns and things like that. But all they seem to have right now are swords because they go with fairy princesses and dragons and things like that my granddaughters are into. Now, today, our idiom for Supersize Your Business is to stick to your guns. And guns, muscles, big muscles, which I obviously do not have, but it's fun to pretend, this idiom, this expression, it's been around and it's really kind of a fun one. It means to stick to what you believe in. If you started a plan or a project, even if people naysay or tell you, oh, that's a dumb idea, or are negative or disagree with you, you stick by what's important to you. You stick by your convictions, you stick by your core values, you do what you know is right for you and your business, no matter what the naysayers say, right? Because they don't know you, they don't know what you're capable of. This comes from the world of sailing when there were gunships in the mid-1800s. It's actually from, the idiom is from. Sailors were commanded to stay at their guns, literally stay at their posts, even if enemies boarded their ship. They were commanded to stay by those guns, so if they could fire them. I think probably most of them just got killed when the enemies boarded the ships, but I don't know because I wasn't there. So this idiom, I love it because it means be consistent, be true to who you authentically are, and do what you say you're going to do and stick to it, even if people say, oh, I don't think that's a good idea, or what makes you think you can do that? What are some other cool things we've heard from other people? Oh, that's impossible, or that's impossible for me, but not necessarily impossible for you. Fun idiom. I would love to know your experience with it. I looked up a bunch of things. We're working on relationship goals in this year's annual challenge, the Get Your Goals annual challenge this month. So a lot of these will tie into relationship idioms and how do they impact our business. And business is all about relationships, and so it's a really fun and important way to tie in, because sometimes we forget in the day-to-day that our business is about building relationships. It's about helping and serving other people. No matter what business you're in, it's about helping and serving people so that you can have that exchange of value to bring resources and money into your business. So that's it. Share in the comments below your experience with sticking to your guns. Do you stick by your convictions, what you believe in, or are you sometimes wishy-washy and influenced by people and situations and things outside of yourself? That's a true test to self-love, whether we have the ability to say no to other people and not let other people's opinions matter. Have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be seeing you tomorrow with another business idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have a tremendous day.